The Kid Who Hacked the CIA. David and Ethan, two teenage tech wizards, managed to hack into the CIA highly secured system. This true story shows how their
Like, comment, and subscribe.
curiosity almost got them into trouble but also changed their lives in unexpected ways. Now, David, 16 years old, loved learning about cybersecurity. He taught himself programming when he was just 12. His best friend Ethan was just as skilled but more careful. Ethan often reminded David to think before acting. They spent hours in David's basement, their little computer lab, taking on coding challenges and learning how system worked. On evening, David read an article about how secure the CIA systems were. They say no one can hack it, he said, excited. What to see if we can? Ethan hesitated. David, this is not just a game, this is the CIA. If we mess up, we will be in serious trouble. But David was precise. We would not do anything bad, just test the system and see if we find a weak spot. After some convincing, Ethan agreed and they set some rules: no damage, no sharing information, and to stop immediately if catch. With that, they go to work their plan. Now, the boys started by looking at what the CIA had online: public information and system. They secured four weak points like updated software. After a week of digging, they found a small flaw in an old program that was not updated. This would be their way in. They made a fake program to confuse the CIA security system, like setting off an alarm in the wrong place. While the CIA expert focused on the fake alarm, David and Ethan used their real hack to sneak in. Now, the hack. On Friday night, with everyone in their house asleep, they launched their plan. Their fake alarm worked, distracting the CIA's team. While the expert handled the fake program, the boys managed to get into the CIA system. We did it, David whispered, barely believing it. They were in a part of the system meant to trap intruders, but it had digital keys they could use to assess the others' areas carefully. They used one key to entire a secure part of the database. Now, the mistake. Feeling confident, David started exploring deeper into the system. Ethan got nervous. David, we're gone for far enough. Let's get out before they catch us. But David did not stop. Suddenly, their computer screens froze. A warning appeared. This is the CIA. Stay where you are. Ethan panicked. What now? He asked. David voice shock. We wait. Now the consequences. Minute later, federal agent showed up at David's home. Both boys were the consequences. Minutes later, federal agents showed up at David's house. Both boys were arrested, leaving their parents in shock at the CIA. Rachel, one of the cybersecurity experts, questioned them. You clearly skilled, she said, but hacking into a government system is illegal. What did you do it? David and Ethan explained they just wanted to see if it could be done and did not plan to cause harm. Rachel saw their potential and made them an officer. Help the CIA fix security problem or face serious punishment. Now, turning it around, David and Ethan agreed to help. They joined a team of experts working to improve the CIA defenses. Their knowledge helped find and fix many weak spots. Over time, they realized how important it was to use their skill responsibly. Later, they began teaching others about ethical hacking, speaking at events, and monitoring young coders. Their story became an example of how mistake can turn into opportunity if handled the right way. Now, the final thought. This real life story shows how important it is to use skills wisely. Being curious is good, but it must be paired with responsibility. David and Ethan learned this the hard way, but their journey proves that even mistake can lead to something positive.